Hello, I'm Vadani Ariam, author of this course, Beginner's Bookkeeping. Welcome to my course. This is section 1 and lecture 3. This is all about trial balance. Trial balance is a statement of debits and credits of all the ledger accounts, shown as if debits and credits do not balance indicates an error. The trial balance is prepared periodically at the end of each reporting period to make financial statements. The period of the trial balance given at the top indicates the preparation done for that particular period. Then accounting titles showed below the names of the ledger accounts from which figures extracted for the trial balance. The trial balance takes all the scales from the accounts books summarized in the ordinary ledgers and list in the columns according to whether they are debit or credit balances. It is done on a specific basis, either monthly or quarterly. The balances relating to assets and expenses in the left side, that is the debit side of the column, and the capital and sales in the right column. The sum of the respective columns shown at the bottom. The total of all that is at the bottom. The trial balance helps to ensure stability in the ledger accounts, balance without an error if those have entered correctly. It is used to make the final accounts is a matter of picking the figures from the trial balance instead of referring back to individual accounts. In the double entry system, we enter every entry in the debit side of an account. There will be an entry for the same amount in the credit side of another account. So there is no reason for not balancing. Why we balance off the debit side and the credit side of the individual ledger accounts. Therefore, when we balance the debit side and the credit side of the individual ledger accounts. Therefore, if the totals are not same, the errors must have been made in the bookkeeping. For example, the types of entries are as follows: assets, purchases, expenses on the debit side, sales, liabilities, receipts on the credit side. Debit entries are equipment, cash, motor vehicles, investments, land and buildings. Purchases, rent and rates, purchase ledger control account. Those are all debit entries. Credit entries are sales, liabilities, loans, overdraft, share capital. Sales ledger control account. Two important accounts produced from the trial balance are profit and loss account and the balance sheet. This shows the historical health of the company regarding money. Any errors made by the bookkeeper throughout the year checked and corrected. The accountants make the necessary changes so that company gets the best possible benefits when it comes to tax payments. Then the temporary accounts get cleared. Again, a new trial balance is done to make sure all the accounts balance. Boundaries of the limitations of the trial balance. The trial balance only shows the totals of debit and credits entries in the ledger accounts, but there could be a mistake. There could be mistakes even if the debit and totals and credit totals in the trial balance agrees. If a wrong figure posted on the debit side of the ledger account, that offsets the credit entry in the another ledger account. So that sets off, but it's a wrong entry. It will not show up as a mistake in the trial balance because it balances. Likewise, the trial balance doesn't even show when certain transactions got missed out without posting to the ledger. Some transaction be completely missed out without posting to the ledger. The trial balance will not show. These are the description of this is how the trial balance is prepared, and this is how the ledgers are balanced and transferred to the trial balance. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you. I hope you understood this lecture. And the next lecture I'm going to say I'm going to talk about if the trial balance doesn't agree, how we are going to find out and how we will fix it. Thank you for watching this video, this lecture. Thank you. Bye for now. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.